Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaks. We are very happy to have you with us today. This channel is for learning English slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Hello, Adam. Hello, dear friends. Thank you for joining us again. Today's lesson is very useful for daily life, especially for beginners.
Yes, Sarah. Today we will talk about a topic everyone needs: jobs, work, what you do every day.
Exactly. Our topic today is learn how to talk about your job in English. This is very common in real conversations.
People often ask, "What do you do?" or "What is your job?"
And many learners feel nervous when they hear this question.
Don't worry. After this video, you will feel more confident.
Before we start, dear friends, please like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Speaks, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Your support helps us grow and helps more learners around the world.
Okay, Adam, let's begin.
Sarah, let me ask you a simple question.
Sure, go ahead.
What do you do?
I am an English content creator. I work on Mr. English Speaks and help people learn English.
Perfect. Very simple, very clear.
And you, Adam, what do you do?
I am an English teacher and podcast host. I teach and speak English every day.
Dear listeners, this is the first and easiest way to talk about your job.
Yes, you can say, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver.
Or you can say, I work as a designer. I work as a nurse.
Both are correct.
Let's teach a useful phrase.
The phrase is, I work as.
For example, I work as a shop assistant.
I work as a software developer.
Now let's practice.
Everyone listening, say it in your mind or out loud.
I work as a
Teacher.
student.
Engineer.
Very good.
Now, sometimes people also ask where you work.
Yes, you can say, I work in an office.
Or I work at a hospital.
Or I work from home.
Working from home is very common now.
Adam, where do you usually work?
I work from home most days, but sometimes I work in a studio.
Nice. I also work from home.
Let's teach another phrase.
The phrase is, I work for.
For example, I work for a company.
I work for an international organization.
If you are self-employed, you can say, I work for myself.
That means you are your own boss.
Now let's talk about responsibilities.
Responsibilities means what you do at work every day.
This is very important in conversations.
You can say, I help customers.
I answer emails.
I teach students.
I manage social media.
Adam, what are your responsibilities?
I prepare lessons, record videos, and help learners improve their English.
Very clear, very natural.
Now I will ask you, Sarah.
Okay.
What do you do at work?
I write scripts, speak in videos, and connect with our audience.
Perfect answer.
Let's teach a useful expression.
I am responsible for.
For example, I am responsible for teaching new students.
I am responsible for managing the team.
Now let's practice again.
Everyone listening, repeat in your mind.
I am responsible for
Helping people.
teaching English.
Good job.
Now let's talk about daily routine at work.
Daily routine means what you do from morning to evening.
People like to know this.
You can start by saying when you begin work.
For example, I start work at 9 a.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Adam, what is your daily routine like?
Every morning, I check emails and plan my lessons. Then I record videos. In the afternoon, I edit content and prepare for the next day.
That sounds busy but interesting.
Yes. And you, Sarah?
I usually start work in the morning. I write scripts, practice speaking, and work on new ideas. I finish in the evening.
Dear listeners, you don't need long sentences.
Simple and short is perfect.
For example, I start work at 8. I have lunch at 1. I finish at 6.
This is enough.
Now let's talk about breaks.
Breaks are important.
You can say, I take a short break.
Or you can say, I have lunch with my colleagues.
Colleagues means people you work with.
Let's teach that word clearly.
Colleagues are your coworkers.
Now let's move to work environment.
Work environment means where and how you work.
For example, office, home, shop, school.
You can say, I work in an office.
You can say, I work outdoors.
You can say, I work in a small team.
Adam, how is your work environment?
It is friendly and relaxed. We focus on learning and helping others.
Mine too. It is informal and creative.
Let's explain two words.
Formal and informal.
Formal means strict, serious, and many rules.
Informal means relaxed and comfortable.
Many learners work in informal environments.
Now let's talk about job satisfaction.
This means how you feel about your job.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
You can say, I like my job.
Or, I love my job.
Or, my job is okay.
If you don't like it, you can say, my job is stressful.
Or, I want to change my job.
Sarah, do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much because I help people and learn every day.
That's wonderful.
Let's teach another useful phrase.
I enjoy this the most.
For example, I enjoy teaching the most.
I enjoy working with people the most.
And if you want to talk about something you don't like, you can say, I enjoy this the least.
For example, I enjoy paperwork the least.
Very natural.
Now let's talk about past jobs.
Past jobs are jobs you had before.
You can say, I used to work as.
For example, I used to work as a cashier.
I used to work in a small company.
Adam, did you have another job before?
Yes, I used to work in an office. I learned a lot there.
That's great.
Let's teach used to.
Used to means something in the past, not now.
Now let's talk about experience.
Experience means what you learned from work.
You can say, I learned communication skills.
You can say, I learned how to work in a team.
These sentences are very useful in interviews too.
Now let's talk about future goals.
This is exciting. You can say, in the future, I want to.
For example, I want to grow in my career.
I want to learn new skills.
I want a better job.
Adam, what is your future goal?
I want to help millions of people speak English with confidence.
That is a beautiful goal.
And you, Adam?
I want to improve my skills and create more helpful content.
Dear listeners, it's okay if you don't know your future yet.
Simple goals are fine. Now let's talk about asking others about their job.
This is very useful in real life.
The most common question is, what do you do?
Then you can ask, do you like your job?
Or, where do you work?
Or, what is a typical day like for you?
These questions keep the conversation going.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay.
What do you do, Adam?
I am an English teacher. What about you?
I work as a content creator. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I enjoy teaching. What about you?
I love my job because it is creative.
Simple, natural, easy.
Dear friends, practice this at home.
Talk to yourself.
Or practice with a friend.
Now let's reflect.
Talking about your job does not need difficult English.
Simple sentences are enough.
Confidence comes with practice.
Mistakes are okay.
Every sentence you speak is progress.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video.
Subscribe to Mr. English Speaks for more easy English conversations.
Leave a comment and tell us about your job or your dream job.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.